Chantel with WildBerry Quilting, and I got in the Sweetwater labels for this month. So let's get into them. Now, these should be the July labels, and I didn't want to open for a second there. And this is from Sweetwater Label Company, and they do have fabric too, but this is their label subscription. And it is like $6 a month or something. I'm not affiliated with them. I just like getting their labels. All right. Ooh, we got some flowers. And it just says made by, and then it'll have your name on it. So it looks like one label this month. Very cute. That one's going to go into my drawer and my stack of labels. Waiting for the right project. That's it. That was a short one. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.